Welcome to Fly Over the Map. Today, we find ourselves in the USA. Today's location we find in Boca Raton. We are flying over the Coconut Cove Waterpark today. Welcome to Boca Raton, Florida, where we're flying over Coconut Cove Waterpark today. Nestled in Burt, Aaronson, South County Regional Park at 2130 Regional Park Drive, this seasonal water park opens for summer 2025 from June 1st to August 11th, running Monday to Saturday 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Sundays 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. Spanning 10 acres, it features a 986-foot lazy river, 2 4-story water slides, and an interactive kids' water playground with lily pads. There's also a recreational pool and locker rentals for $10 with a cash deposit. Visitors love the clean facilities and friendly staff, though some note it gets busy on weekends, perfect for families beating the Florida heat. Concessions offer ices, chips, and ice cream, but outside food isn't allowed. Located 20 miles north of Miami, it's an easy stop near Dagger Wing Nature Center. Recent feedback highlights the lazy river's calm vibe, ideal for all ages, and the park's shaded spots. Whether you're sliding, floating, or picnicking, Coconut Cove is a summer must-do. We look forward to welcoming you on board again next time for Fly Over the Map. If you enjoyed the video, please leave us a like or comment.
Thank you.